I want to go to our clubhouse and we back.
Okay, so when we introduce our names, we just say our first name, okay? So you'll just say Addison, and you'll just say Madison, and I'll just say Lauren, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Hey everybody, it's me, Lauren.
And my name's Madison. And my name is Cassie.
Addison Kinsey.
Addison Kinsey. Madison said 9 comments.
Okay, good job.
Addison Kinsey. How you doing?
Good job.
I like butterflies and worms and babies.
She likes butterflies, worms, and babies. That's a good
I
combination.
like babies and worms and butterflies and meat.
And meat. Okay, meat. Okay, sounds good.
And I like cute little girls.
And cute little girls. Okay, guys. So today we want to reveal what we received in the mail from Shea Moisture for their Mom's Ambassador program. How cool is that? And kids. Well, kids fall under the mom's portion. Very smart. Thank you. So every month we will get a special package from the company, and today we want to show what we got in the mail. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Whoa, what's that?
So it tells you about all of the ingredients that comes in their product.
Oh, that.
And wait a minute, Addie. No, well, yeah, they use real food ingredients in order to make their products. So the package is beautifully packed. I love the packaging. Pamphlet for Sheabassador program. Wait a minute before you start taking stuff out. Also, we have a pamphlet talking about their ingredients, about cleansing, hydrate, and soothe for the products that we have in the box. Would you like to hold that? Okay, Madison, please don't make a mess on my table, honey. Okay, it's okay. I got it. Okay, so let's see what we got, girls.
I want spice, egg,
Oh my goodness, what is this, girls? Is this a blanket? Oh, look.
What blanket?
It's a blanket. I'm not gonna expand it all the way, but it has their logo, Shea Moisture. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. This came from the company.
Oh, I
look. So we have
I want my
the baby nighttime soothing lotion. Now, and I actually used this with the girls when they were babies, and we loved it. It smells so good. Would you like to smell it?
That's my wishes.
That's bedtime lotion.
Oh, I love it.
Smell it again? Okay.
I smell it. It's like bubbles.
Yeah, it has lavender. You probably smell the lavender.
Smell like cooking nuts.
Manuka honey, lavender, shea butter.
Oh, wait, I want unicorns and roses and cotton and honeybees.
Whoa.
Eat honey.
Yes, babies can have honey. Well, not newborn babies, but babies. And then also we have the baby nighttime soothing shampoo and bath milk. And what I love about their baby shampoo is that it's so gentle for cleansing the hair. It removes, like, well, babies don't really have build up, but it moisturizes, but also it makes sure that it doesn't over dry the baby's hair. And it's also good for bubble bath. I love this stuff when the girls were smaller and still do.
Yeah, I love my toy blankie.
Your toy blankie. And then also we have the baby chest rub. Oh, this is nice. It helps them relax and also nurture.
Help people sleep.
Thank you, Addison. You're such a good cleaner.
That's a good
Okay. And so the last thing we got is the coconut and hibiscus Kids Extra Moisturizing Detangler. And what I love about the detangler
Mama, how about this?
Okay, yes, you can hold it. Please don't pump any out. Y'all know how they go. So the detangler is a product that we still currently use as well. And they're perfect for the girls' puffs, especially Maddie. Maddie loves puffs on her hair. a lot. And what I like about this is that if I style her hair and we put on the sand cap or, you know, tie around her edges at night, put on the sand cap, in the morning I can spritz. This is the baby chest rub. In the morning, I can spritz this on her puffs and just use a comb and fluff them out so that they're big and pretty and fresh for the next day. So I love this stuff. Oh, this goes with slippery elm and marshmallow extract. That's new. No, it's saying this has slippery elm and marshmallow extract. It's part of the ingredients.
I like marshmallows.
Yes, you do. It's one of your favorite foods. So this is awesome. For detangling the hair, and it doesn't over dry the hair, which is, again, it's a very good thing, because some stuff has like alcohol and sulfates, and it's just not good for the hair at all. So thank you so much, Shea Moisture. Tell them thank you.
Thank you.
We love our products, and we can't wait to show you guys. And we love our blankie. We can't wait to show you guys how we use these products at home. But make sure
use our
blankie when we're playing with our toys, or when we go to bed or nap time.
Mama, what baby unicorn say?
I don't know what the baby unicorn. That's the baby giraffe.
I want a baby giraffe. Eat someone. What her called?
Huh?
What her eat? I did giraffe.
No, that's probably it's that mint. Let's see if we can find that picture over here.
Giraffe eat leaves.
Giraffes do eat leaves. Good job.
Hey.
They do.
You take.
I was trying to see what the seeds were, what the grains were on the picture.
I see it.
You see it? I think that is too. It might be mint and ginger.
I see herb.
Yeah, because it's not the boba tea tree oil. I don't know. But anywho, be sure to check out our website and check out all of our blog posts, because we do give step by step instructions on how we cleanse our hair, moisturize our hair, and also style. So be on the lookout for updated posts on those things. And also head over to Instagram to stay in touch with us on a daily basis. We're on Instagram, Facebook, I'm on Twitter. So hope to see you guys over there. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And thumbs up this video. Let us know that you like our content. Thumbs it up, Maddie. Thumbs. All right, thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.